Okay, ang challenge po namin, gagayahin nyo yung ginawa nila.
Okay,
go here.
That was Trick Styles.
Yun, so we'll do a little bit of interview. So
Yes, let's find out what Trick Styles is all about.
ayun, so introduce us to your group.
Good afternoon. This is Philip. This is Axis, Justin, Jerome, and Rob. Together we are Pinoy Trick Styles, the first martial arts drinking team in the Philippines. Martial arts tricks is martial arts combined with acrobatics, gymnastics, and everything you see in the movies, and so on and so forth. So may flyers din sa table, so those who want to learn, just pick up the flyer or search us in Facebook, Pinoy Trick Styles, or in YouTube. We also have videos in YouTube, and those who want to learn just contact us. Especially, we start as the beginners. Wala muna yung acrobatics, so dadaan muna ng basics para sa under controlled environment, para sa instruction for the kids. And also the adults.
Yun. So, any contact numbers kung paano nila kayo makontakin?
For me, it's 0906-4644485. Or, there are flyers available in the cosplay tables, in the registration, and at the cosplay booth beside it.
Okay, I'm just wondering, do you have any basic tips for fighting choreography for cosplayer?
First and foremost, ang goal is safety. So don't attempt tricks that are too advanced for your level. Stick to your level first, and then slowly move up to more complicated and advanced tricks.
So, ano yung mga samples na pwede mo sabihin na for beginners ngayon?
For beginners, ang first trick na tinuturo namin sa kanila is the defensive fall. Kasi you need to learn to know how to fall first before you attempt any tricks.
Okay. So, ibig sabihin nun yung mga na-exit nyo kanina sa stage. Not yun, scripted.
Yeah, scripted siya from the sticks to the sword, except yung magkalaglag na
Bakit
sword.
yung pin kanina, yung pinin kanina, yung nag-fan service sila ng dalawa? Walang referee na sumagot. So, aside from that, so, paano natin sasabihin natin na hindi na sila nag-deliver? In your decision pala, kasi you can see na marami na gumagawa ng stunts na cosplayer natin ngayon, di ba? So, if you're going to give them tips and paano nila i-excel ang mga sarili?
So, makikita naman through practice We would get out workshops, then seek instruction, then at the end of each workshop, siguro dadaan po kami ng assessment test to see what they can do safely, and syempre yung aesthetics, yung parang may ganda.
So, I think ito kami ngayon. Medyo okay na rin. Parang unti-unti talaga.
Yes, and if you want to know more about Trick Styles, their flyers, as I said, is available right here at the table.
Right?
Yeah, and then I think you have classes and workshops, right?
We're planning for this summer, so just contact us in formal info in Facebook.
Be sure to check us out on YouTube, youtube.com/teambts. Make sure you guys check it out because we have a lot of videos of you guys. And for those who want to see our practice sessions, check it out.
May ano ba kayo? Sa mga susunod na events, may magpapakita ba kayo? Whatever? Yun. So,
Okay.
kapag may tricks pa sila na gusto sila magpapakita ng gilas ulit.
Actually, Nico, Kel is knows judo, taekwondo.
Yes, I know judo, aikido, karate, and various Japanese words.
Yan. So, magaling yan from Japan. Tsaka Korean,
Yeah,
taekwondo.
like taekwondo, whatever. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan naman po sa kanila.
Let's give Trick Styles some love, people! Yes, and let's continue with our option.